she's afraid of the rain today. I don't know how she's gonna manage. All right, so today we're doing a section of Wilderness
State Park to the abandoned lighthouse.
Okay, we're not gonna make it to the lighthouse because of the fact that the lighthouse is actually like in the water, but
we hope to see it.
Yeah, we're gonna see what we can see. It's a pretty cool place so far. It's like a nice little preserve. You can see out there. So here we go. Oops, that didn't work. That did differently than what I planned.